Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name's Gary.Christiance, serving the dealership since 1981. Great Northwood product today, Arctic Fox. Come on inside and let me show you around. Bathroom. Nice big closet. Storage up down below and up above. You can got plenty of hanging space in there. Good room for the toilet. Paper dispensers right in front. Medicine cabinet. Very good sized sink. And storage down below. There's your shower enclosure. Sunroof up there. Northwood refrigerator. It's the one that we like on our trailer. It's nice because you can set it at the temperature you want. And up on top here, if you happen to have it stop keeping it cold, your ice melts. There's a big tray in here to keep all the water from dripping down. Very nice feature. All adjustable shelves to fit wherever you want to carry with you. Kitchen area. These little slits back here for knives, knife holders, nice spot. 3-burner stove, nice little cover. Good size oven. Microwave. Not quite enough room for a convection. Solid surface countertops. Stainless sinks. A little deeper on that side. And full extension on your drawers. All good grade plywood. Good storage underneath the sink. And again, we've got more drawers. And that's where your silverware goes. Entertainment's right here. That way you can view it from the bedroom or in here. Got a nice dinette slide. And this makes down by pulling a lever. This goes down so you don't have a leg sticking in there for your feet. We also do have drawers down below. You can access it from the top as well. Cabinets up above the dinette for added storage. Makes it really nice. And 2 easy chairs with a little table in between. Places for your magazines. And instead of putting a wall here, they made an opening with a curtain. So when it's like this, it's a much more open feeling. So I'll slide across and open up this cabinet, this door, closet door. You have USB ports down below. Nice hanging space on this side. Storage shelves across the front. Nice little space across the front. It's not real deep. And then we'll come over on this side. So this has got a fantastic fan. It's got a remote control mounted right here. So you can work the fan, you don't have to get up. You can just get this out of the way for you. So there's your Arctic Fox mat in your chairs that come with it. High grade mattress. And over on this side, this is a trap door for your laundry chute. It's got a little plastic basket down there. You just drop your clothes down. And this does have some short hanging space and storage up on top. Speakers throughout the unit. There is a spot right over here for another TV if you wanted to put that over in the corner. It's all ready to go. And if you bring your TV and your mount in, I'll have it installed for you. Let's take a peek outside. Your control panel as you walk in is right here for your slide room, your electric awning, all your lights. This has got 110 hot water as well as propane. So you can, if you needed a lot of water, you can run both. It's got an LED light right above the door. All fiberglass. It's got power jacks outside. Here's your hot water tank. It's porcelain lined. Good storage area. And of course your power stabilizer jacks are not to level it, just to stabilize it. Full-size spare tire. Of course the hot water heater you saw inside. Black water flush. Outdoor shower. Got a luggage rack for getting on top. But we offer free seam inspection, so don't do that. Just call us up, bring it down for free, and we'll check it. Sewer hose goes in the back. Your controls for this stabilizer. 110 hookup, LED light, little storage area, fresh water, and your cable and satellite. Service for your refrigerator, the vents up on top. All the compartment doors have a rubber seal around them. They're 1 inch thick for insulation, and the rubber seal here prevents dust and water from getting in. And Arctic Foxes are a true 4-season unit. The tanks underneath are enclosed, insulated, and heated. So as long as you've got power and propane, you will not freeze this up even in the very coldest of weather. Here's your front access. Solar hookup here. Comes with 2 batteries, electric tongue jack with a light up front. It's got LEDs across the front. And then over here behind this compartment door, very important, is a battery disconnect switch right there. That way when you're not using your trailer, turn that off, it saves your batteries. A lot of information. You got any questions? Well, my email's down below. Heck, why don't you call me? My number is 541-554-9581. Appreciate your interest. Have a great day.